Sometimes Windows won't start. The solution is simple. Boot your computer from a Lazesoft recovery USB. In this video, we'll show you how to start almost any computer from the Lazesoft boot disk. First, insert the Lazesoft boot USB into the computer, then completely power off the machine. As soon as you press the power button, repeatedly tap the boot menu key. Different brands use different keys. On HP computers, press ESC first, then choose boot menu with F9. On Dell computers, press F12 repeatedly at startup. On Lenovo computers, press F*. On Acer computers, press F12 at power on. When the boot menu appears, select the USB device. After a few minutes, Lazesoft Recovery Suite will start. Now you can repair Windows, recover data, or reset passwords. If your computer does not show the USB, check Secure Boot or BIOS settings. We have another video explaining that.